Inofferan mo ng wine si Sandro.
But these are details of the case, Your Honor.
Sige, okay.
And as
You will stay there.
as promised
I promise you will
by
stay there.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, this na wala pong pilitan, hindi naman po tayo korte, Your Honor. And I invoke my right to self-incrimination because I don't want to answer details of the case, Your Honor. This is already part of our defense.
But the question that I'm asking you is not an incriminating question.
Yes, Your Honor, but these are already details of the case and I cannot answer.
All right. Okay.
Because I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
All right. Okay. I also have my right to detain you. Where's Sandro? Online. Online? Can we put him online?
Good morning po, Mr. Chair.
Sandro, are you willing to narrate the incident that happened? No.
I can go to a certain extent po, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
I can go po in a certain extent po, Your Honor.
All right. Good. You want to start?
Your Honor, if we may, Sandro's still experiencing some trauma from...
Excuse me, attorney, you're not allowed to speak. You just give legal advice to your client, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay. Tuloy mo na, Sandro.
Okay po. So, ayun nga po. So, going back po sa buong incident, yun nga po, this happened after the GMA Gala. Pagpunta ko po ng room nila, ayun nga po, nakita ko po si Sir Jojo at si Doddy Cruz. Si Doddy Cruz po lasing na lasing na. Pinakilala po ako ni Sir Jojo, so tumayo po si Doddy sa bed. Tapos pinakilala po ako ni Sir Jojo na si Sandro to, anak ni Nino, magaling na artista to, magaling na kontrabida to, ikakas ko to soon. Ganun po yung usapan, ganyan. Tapos, inaputan po nila ako ng wine. Pininom po ako ni Sir Jojo ng wine. Then, nag-abot nga po siya ng 500 peso bill sa akin. Then, may nilagay po siyang white substance dun po sa table ng hotel. Then, pinagbabasag po niya ng hotel room keycard. Tapos, ayun po, tinuruan po niya ako kung paano gamitin po yung substance. Nauna po silang suminghot ni Doddy Cruz, sila pong dalawa. Then ako po yung pinasunod nila. Then after ilang minutes po, hinila nga po ako ni Sir Jojo sa kama. Then, si Doddy Cruz po, tinanggal po yung polo ko. Bigla po niyang sinok yung nipples ko po. Parehas, sobrang sakit po. Then, si Sir Jojo po, binaba po yung pantalon ko. Tapos, Mr. Chair, sobrang laswa po kasi it's gonna be...
It's okay. We understand. They took turns.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, stop na. Honest. Nagte-testify na itong bata na may nangyari. You still deny?
Your Honor, since the case is already with the...
No, I'm asking you.
Okay.
Do you still deny?
I would like to invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor. Since the case is already in the DOJ, we will answer there. And
what about the drugs? What about the white powdery substance that you poured on the table?
Same, Your Honor. I invoke my right to self-incrimination since the case these are details of the case, and the case is already with the DOJ, Your Honor.
Is it true that you drank wine?
Your Honor, these are already details of the case, Your Honor.
That is a very easy question. Is it true that you drank wine? You gave wine to Sandro? You do not have any right to speak, Mr. Attorney.
Your Honor, I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor, since
That is not an incriminating question.
the case is already...
That is not an incriminating question.
But these are details
That is
of
not
the
an
case.
incriminating question. You still want to be detained there?
No, Your Honor.
All right,
I'm just...
answer my
Please
question.
don't detain me just
Did you
because
offer wine to Sandro?
I'm just invoking my
Okay,
right to self-incrimination,
You
Your
will
Honor.
stay- you will
It's
stay
my
in detention
constitutional
center.
right.
Because the question that I am asking you is not an incriminating
But these are
question.
already details of the case, Your Honor, and the case is with the
stay-
DOJ.
okay, all right. You're going to answer me the same, ano?
I'm just invoking
No,
my
no, no.
constitutional right, Your Honor. I don't think it is fair and proper that you detain me just because I invoke my constitutional
No, no, no,
right
no,
to
no.
self-incrimination, Your Honor.
I am asking you a question, a valid question. Inofferan mo ng wine si Sandro.
But these are details of the case, Your Honor,
Sige, okay.
and as
You will stay there.
as promised
I promise
by-
you, you will
by
stay there.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, this na wala pong pilitan, hindi naman po tayo korte, Your Honor, and I invoke
aware of
my
it.
right to
I'm
self-incrimination
aware
because
of
I
it.
don't want to answer details of the
But
case, Your Honor. This
the
is already
question-
part of our defense.
But the question that I'm asking you is not an incriminating question.
Yes, Your Honor, but these are already details of the case, and I cannot answer
All right. Okay.
because I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
All right. Okay. I also have my right to detain you. Okay. Kundi lang si Sandro, sino pa yung mga pinapadala mo na messages? Answer.
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
You think that is an incriminating question? Sino lang mga tinext mo? Answer.
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Ano oras dumating sa Santos hotel room mo?
Ano po yung question, Your Honor? Ano po yung question, Your Honor?
Ano oras dumating si Santos hotel room mo?
Hindi ko na po maalala yung eksaktong oras pero a little before 5 a.m., Your Honor.
Sino-sino nasa hotel nang dumating si Sandro?
Sa amin po, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, these are details of the case po, Your Honor. I would like to invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Diba? Is it incriminating? Question?
Your Honor, details, they are connected to details of the case and anything
Ang tanong ko lang, sino-sino ang nasa hotel nang
can be used
dumating?
against.
Ang tanong ko lang, sino-sino ang nasa hotel nang dumating si Sandro?
Your
Ikaw
Honor,
lang ba kasama si Richard o meron pa iba?
Your Honor, these details are connected to the
Okay,
facts of the
sige.
case and I would like to invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Yung sinasabi ni Sandro that you poured a powdery substance on the table, what is that substance?
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
And where did you get that substance?
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Ako rin may right bilang senador na cite ka rin in contempt eh. Okay. Normal ba na sa mga katulad ninyo, you may influence over yung mga aspiring actors? Normal ba nagte-text kayo sa mga artista para uminom? Alam mo, yung mga ganong klaseng tanong, very elementary, hindi mo na kailangan ng tulong ng abogado. Kaya mo na sagutin yan. Script writer ka, kaya galing-galing mo gumawa ng script. Magtatanong ka sa abogado mo. Di ba magaling ka script writer sa GMA7? Normal ba sa inyo na meron kayong director ka, scriptwriter ka, may mga aspiring actors, aspiring actresses? Normal ba na tinetext nyo para mag-iya uminom? Napakadali lang naman ang tanong. Baka wala na kumuha yung scriptwriter.
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Sige.
Mananatili sa Senado ang isa sa mga inaakusahan ni Sandro Mulak na nanghalay umano sa kanya na si Jojo Nones. Ipinag-utos ito ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada matapos tumanggi si Nones na sagutin ang mga tanong niya tungkol sa umano'y panghahalay kay Sandro sa pagpapatuloy ng Senate hearing hinggil sa issue nitong Martes, August 27. Bukod kay Nones, kinasuhan ang isa pang kontraktor ng GMA na si Richard Cruz kaugnay nito, ngunit hindi siya sumipot sa pagdinig ng Senado dahil sa pagkakaospital dulot ng gastrointestinal bleeding. Dumalo sa pagdinig virtually si Sandro Mulak at idinetalye pa kung ano ang nangyari noong gabi ng Hulyo 20 na humantong sa umano'y panghahalay sa kanya ni Nones at Cruz kabilang ang pagpapagamit sa kanya ng ilegal na droga.